Welcome to today's video. We're going to do a quick tour of Deck 6 on the Jewel.
Welcome to Traveling with a Chair. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds, and on this channel I help people travel more, spend less, and I provide information that's helpful to those that travel with a disability.
Okay, so we're on Deck 6. We're going aft back from the Stardust Theater area. On the right we have Magnum's Champagne and Wine Bar, and there's very frequently live music. You can see the piano, but there's other kinds of music in there. The far wall, you can see the entrance to the Bistro. We passed on the right was the back side of the casino, so if you were on the far side of the ship you could get into the casino there, but we went by that. We're going by the Shakers Martini and Cocktail Bar, and we're getting ready to head into Maltings Beer and Whiskey Bar. Again, these were cameras off a little bit, just trying to avoid getting other people in my film. There you can see the seating area for Maltings, and it was very popular. There's a lot of people in there usually in the evening, and then we're coming up into the lobby area. There's one of the signs that gives you what's going on. Another look at Maltings and the sign for Maltings there. Like I said, their focus is beer and whiskey, but you can get just a little bit of anything. It's never a challenge. And then as we continue back just a little bit farther aft, here is the entrance to the Azura, which is one of the main dining rooms. We typically ate in the Palace dining room, which is farther aft.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.